Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM tools. First one is Keap and the second one is HubSpot. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products. We'll go through pricing plans as well, and then we'll find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start with Keap. Keap is an intuitive sales, CRM and marketing automation software that can be utilized by businesses to enhance their sales and save time as well. Companies get to generate more leads, sort them out and forward the right kind of messages to the right people. They can also trust on the particular to generate a robust customer experience and gather loyal patrons. Its inbuilt features and functionality include email marketing, reporting and analytics, sales pipeline, CRM, sales and marketing automation, appointments, payments and more. Users can leverage Keap to generate custom forms and embed them with their landing pages and websites. This also helps them trigger automated actions in real time. Inbuilt SMS and email marketing feature helps users forward broadcast messages to individual target groups, driving in greater sales. They can also automate the entire sales, follow-up, and enhance lead conversion rates through the sales pipeline. They are meant to be for small and medium businesses. And also you can run Keap on Android and iOS as well. So they are not really into big companies. We can check the pricing plans now. For, let's say we have 500 contacts. But straight away, if I go more than 500, it's obviously you are going to pay more. We have Lite, Pro and Max option with 500 contacts billed monthly. For your first 3 months it's $56, which is not cheap. And you get CRM, email marketing, lead capture, easy automations, appointments, mobile app, business line, automated text messages, and payment and invoicing. With Pro, it's $119 a month for first 3 months. And this is, when you try it free, this is the version that you are going with. And then we have a Max, which is $140 first 3 months. And it's 500 contacts and 1 user. And for additional user, as you can see, it's everywhere $30 each. You have sales funnels, lead scoring, one-click upsell and cross-sells, recurring upsells, promo codes, and all the other stuff that you'll need. When you want to check the UI, that's the Keap that I created just a moment ago, just to show you the 14-day trial. You can utilize your taskbar. On the left side, we have home, where you have sales, quotes and invoices, contacts. You can easily add more or integrate it with, for example, your contacts in your device. Then all the tasks that you need to maintain, appointments, money. So you can make an invoices and send the invoices, broadcast, automations, pipeline and reports. So Keap does everything for you very smoothly, intuitively, and it's so easy. But let's talk about a HubSpot. HubSpot CRM is a forever free customer relationship management software that provides solution to all your CRM needs. HubSpot CRM automates the tasks for your salespeople, which allows more work with less data entry. The interactions are tracked down automatically, and a separate visual dashboard displays deals for total visibility. Now handle up to 1 million contacts, user and storage without any expiration date, all of it without paying a penny. With HubSpot CRM, you can also send emails in a personalized sequence, which is delivered as per the schedule you set. Get notified whenever any lead opens your email so that you know how to follow up with that particular lead. So, first of all, they are meant to be for large enterprises as well, and providing 24/7 live rep. That forever free statement is not that true, because you can actually go even with the paid subscription, and it's very nice how you can basically set up HubSpot by yourself. You have obviously the free tool, then the marketing option, and that starts 41 euros a month, professional and enterprise up to 2,900. All those options are nice because you can go Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, CMS Hub, and Operations Hub, all from those 5 options. So we have marketing, sales, customer services, CMS, and operations. But then, if you want a little bit of everything, you can go with a bundle. In that bundle, you have everything from each of the sphere of HubSpot. So you can get 2 Sales Hub for 2 paid users, Service Hub 2 paid users, CMS Hub and Operation Hub as well, and a Marketing Hub to 1,000 marketing contacts. Same goes to Professional, which is 1,474 a month, which is a bit more, but you have 5 paid users. Obviously, if you want to go monthly, you'll pay more. This is just how it works in basically every single way. And then Enterprise, you are paying upfront, and it's 44,000 euros a year. But 10,000 marketing contacts, but it starts at 10,000. 10 paid users, so you can really utilize it. And also you have to talk to the sales, so they'll tailor the option for you. I would go with the Keap all the way. And if you're a smaller business, I strongly advise you go with Keap. And if you are a bigger one, HubSpot is the way for you. But if you have more questions, please leave them in the comment section. And yet again, if you like the video, leave a like or subscribe. Thanks for watching. And I believe that we'll see each other in the next video. Goodbye.